Ooh, yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to a special episode of Southdown Garage. I am standing in front of my 2020 Ford Explorer for an exact reason with a large box, because I'm finally doing stuff to this. We are unboxing a performance part today, made by a company that makes other forced induction parts. It only took a Dodge Ram to mount our Explorer for me to make that decision. And now that it has to go to the body shop's going to help take the front fascia off, and you'll see why. Like the favorite part of ordering parts, like installing them, is, wow, someone's already been in here. Probably customs, because they want to make sure I'm not importing drugs. Just so you know, customs, I would not put that into an intercooler, because then I wouldn't be able to use it after. Just kidding, I wouldn't do that, period. Ooh. Now, you're probably wondering what comes in something like this. So the whole purpose of this video is to show you, before you buy your very expensive $1,100 US part. Are you kidding me? This is dented? Oh. Oh, now you're starting to get it. It's a Whipple intercooler, everyone, that apparently they've dented. That was so nice of them, by throwing it. I'm still gonna put it on. I'm gonna complain, but I'm gonna put it on. Oh. Ooh, yeah. This is a replacement intercooler for our stock intercooler. And no, I can't show you the stock intercooler, but it's probably like half the size of this. Actually, probably less than half the size of this. No, I have not done any power mods, so putting this on may not be the most effective thing to do first. However, you'll see later. I want to do some power tests with this Explorer, so I want to see what it's like before and what it's like after. I'm not expecting any increase, to be honest with you. What I am expecting is at the drag strip, I'm expecting to have more consistent times. So basically on the third run, from what I've heard on these, because I haven't taken it to this track because, well, COVID. On the third run, you start to lose efficiency. So I want to see in the next few videos here, I'm going to take the Explorer to the track, I'm going to dyno it and just see what happens before we put this in. Then after, we'll show you what it does at the track. All right, so now that we've gotten that stuff out of the way, the other important thing is to know what all comes on top of the intercooler in your box kit here. So let's take a look at this. So we're just gonna go in for a closer look here. Okay, so let's get into this. So in this box, we have an upper intercooler bracket, passenger and driver side, Explorer EcoBoost shipping bolt bag, which I would imagine this is, nylon grommet, 11.8 mil to 1/4 MPT, and 30 zap straps. So this is what it comes with your Explorer package. These are the nice brackets that you're going to get to mount your new intercooler in your 2020 Ford Explorer and upwards. Well, everyone, I want to thank you guys for watching this episode of Southdown Garage. I hope you're excited about this. I'm super excited to see what this is going to be like in the Explorer. We've got all these goodies that we're ready to go in. We just have to get the time. So to give you a bit of a time period on when this video is going to happen, when we're going to put this in, for me to get an all-wheel drive dyno day is going to be about 2 weeks from now. So hopefully 2 weeks from now I start working on this. It's going to be a very busy couple of weeks. We'll see how it goes. It might be 3 weeks. Unfortunately, because I didn't check my email, I couldn't pre-book everything, and that was on me. I apologize for that. But over the next little while, we're going to take this to the drag strip stock. We're going to take it and have it dynoed stock. We're going to put this in, and then we're going to do that all over again and just see what difference this makes. Who knows? Maybe we'll all be surprised together. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a great day. If you like this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing, and feel free to comment and let us know how we did and what you want to see next. I want to also thank our upcoming assistants with AWR Racing in California. You will see some of those videos coming out soon. I'm going to say it now. We are in talks with them to do some diff mount for the Explorer, which I should get more updates next week. If you want to take a look at another video, take a look at this one where we take the Explorer to the dyno and to the track stock to see what it does. Hope you're having a great day. We'll see you next time on another episode of Southdown Garage. Bye for now.